After the coming of the first age of Ugazi, which birthed the very first war amongst men, the sages and Dibyas of that era, who were worried for the future of mankind, came together to find solutions for the plague of war which was new to them. They went back in time to previous ages using Afa, and it was discovered that the problem they were facing in Ugazi was caused by the disconnection from the way of the ancestors they knew in the three earlier ages, Ugaka, Ugachi, and Uganwu. Hence, they agreed that in order for peace to return, they must collectively return to the ways of Indimbo, who lived in harmony with nature in times past. So as a reminder, they gave them the Nsibidi symbol for peace, which combines the symbols for join and past to help the people remember where to go to find peace.